Umintri rangba ke jylla konrad ke sangma ulai thu bak Sorkar jylla kala persang banwat yuk siang hadin bakala yu iye ke jingpelat kubor ke HNLC baka angnut banya kren bat ke Sorkar. Ye kini lai thu do umintri rangba u konrad ke sangma. Habakren nikilat pathai kubor umintri rangba u konrad ke sangma ulabatai syapang kani.
That there was a press release that was given by the HNLC where they have expressed that they would like to have discussion and talks with the government, and that these will be unconditional, and in the interest of peace they would like to move in this direction. And based on that, the government of Meghalaya has already started going through different names for interlocutor, and we welcome the step that has been taken, and we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release, because as a government we'll have to get an official communication. But while we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also. And once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India, and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes. And as I said, this is a welcome move. We are all wanting peace to be there in the long run, and therefore this entire communication is a positive, is in a positive direction. But as I said, that we will be waiting for the official communication from their side. People from, in general, from society, from different backgrounds, and of course, what is important is that these people should be people who have enough experience, who have, have the necessary, I should say, qualities to negotiate well and discuss and talk in these matters. People who understand the subject well. So it will be a very broad kind of a thing. We have already, in fact, made a panel, and those panel of names have already been sent to me. And we have already had a meeting with the Home Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, and other senior officials of the Government of Meghalaya, and we have already gone through those names.